Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the first lecture of General Awareness Revision series. In this series, we are covering the current affairs in the form of MCQ. We'll cover the current affairs from September 2020 to February 2021. This series will help you to cover all the important current affairs for Phase 1 examination of RBI Grade B 2021. For Phase 2 examination, we'll be starting the different series. This is for Phase 1 examination. We are not covering all the current affairs. We are only covering the important current affairs. If you want to read all the current affairs, you can join our courses. We have crash course and comprehensive course for upcoming RBI Grade B 2021. The first question is, which of the following bank has launched CASA current account saving account mobilization campaign? The answer is Karnataka Bank. Karnataka Bank has launched the mobilization campaign on November 17, 2020 and it will go till March 2021. Under this campaign, total 4.1 lakh current and saving account will be mobilized and it will generate 650 crores of business. Under this campaign, bank aims to introduce attractive and superior line of digitally powered saving and current account products to its customer. It will focus on unbanked people. It will enable banking services for unbanked people. It will also popularize banks' digital powered CASA product to the next level of customer on the basis of their requirements. So this is the unique initiative. Karnataka Bank is thinking to upgrade their digital system. So this scheme is, or this campaign is very important. Please remember that it can be asked in the examination. In Phase 1 examination, this kind of question is very important. If some bank is starting some initiative, it will be asked. Educare 247 has launched multiple courses for RBI Grade B examination. We have crash course, we have comprehensive course as well. We have FM and ESI mentorship course. Our crash course is for Phase 1 examination. So you can visit our website and subscribe to these courses. For comprehensive course and mentorship course, you can use the coupon code RBI45 to get the 45% discount. And this code is valid till 27th January. So please hurry up guys. Join this course. It will be very useful for your upcoming examination. You can download our app and join the courses from there also. The next question is, which of the following bank has launched InstaFX mobile app? The answer is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has launched the new mobile application InstaFX. It will authorize money changers to help customer of any bank get ICICI Bank Forex prepaid card. The money changers are the person or the organization whose business is exchange of coin or the currency of one country for the another country. So this is the facility ICICI is going to launch, and ICICI will be the first bank in the country to launch such facility for money chargers. This app will enable the money chargers, only those money chargers, those who will be partner with the bank, and they can verify the KYC on a real time basis. So it is a very unique initiative, real time basis. This InstaFX app partner will verify the customer and they can exchange the money. The next question is, which of the following has been observed as National Tourism Day? The answer is 25th January. Indian government has established January 25th as a National Tourism Day. The aim of this day is to raise awareness about importance of tourism for country's economy. The day is observed to cultivate awareness among global community on the importance of tourism and its social, political, financial and cultural worth. India offers various kind of tourism like cultural tourism, nature, heritage, educational, business, sports, rural, medicinal, ecotourism. So these kind of tourism India offers and people will get aware about this tourism. Ministry of Tourism is the nodal agency for this thing. I mean, they promote the tourism and different state bodies support the Ministry of Tourism. So this is very important day. Please remember that it can be asked in your examination. The next question is, which of the following state has launched Udyam Sarthi app? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has launched Udyam Sarthi app on the occasion of 71st Foundation Day of the state, that is 24th January. So remember that 24th January is the Foundation Day for Uttar Pradesh. This app will enable the youth to get every information related to self-employment, job industry across the state. So basically in Uttar Pradesh, whatever job information will be there, it will be shared through this app. So this app is for youth, those who are looking for the job. Uttar Pradesh Day celebration will run from 24th January to 26th January. That was in the news. So this is the State Day celebration, and the theme for 2021 Uttar Pradesh is respect for self-reliant Uttar Pradesh. Women, young farmers, development of all. So remember the theme. It can be also asked. So here you have to remember three things. First, app. Second thing is the foundation day for the Uttar Pradesh, and the third thing is theme for the foundation day. The next question is, Operation Sard Hawa has been started by which of the following? The answer is BSF. Border Security Force has recently launched Operation Sard Hawa on the western international border of Rajasthan. The aim of this operation is to check the instances of infiltration, because at that time there are fog and generally it is very dark, so infiltration can happen. So basically the security will be at high alert. It will be checked either someone is coming through Jaisalmer border or not from the Pakistan side. This operation will go till 27th January. It has started on 21st January, and Republic Day was in a view, because at that time generally some disturbance can be created from our neighbors country. So basically on those lines, BSF has launched Operation Sard Hawa. This is very important initiative. Please remember that it can be asked in your examination. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. If you want to read the updated current affairs, you can visit our website and you can check the current affairs under current affairs section. Thank you and happy learning.